Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide indexing options from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide indexing options from control panel, go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel. In view Y, category is selected. Click on the drop down here and select large icons and look here. You will find indexing options. Now I am going to hide this option from control panel. Close control panel. Go to search. In search type GP edit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative template and click on control panel. Here you will find a setting, hide specified control panel items. Right click on it and click on edit. Click on enable. And here you will find a list of disallowed control panel items. And you will find a show button here. Click on show button and under value, just type Microsoft M capital dot indexing I capital options O capital Microsoft dot indexing options. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close group policy editor. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update / force to immediately update group policy. Click on OK. The group policy is updating. Update finished. Now you need to sign out your computer and then log in again. Click on start menu. Click on your user icon and then click on sign out. After logging the computer again, I am going to check. Go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel and in control panel indexing option is not showing right now. Now it's hidden. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.